Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning everybody. Selamat pagi semuanya. Nice to meet you all. I know we just do that on online class, but hope that we can meet as soon as possible. Sorry, I'm so speechless today because this is the first meeting for us on having a class. Yeah. And as the first material, we will discuss about talking about self atau memperkenalkan diri. And now, as the material discussion for today, there are three kinds here. First is introducing ourselves or others atau memperkenalkan diri sendiri ataupun orang lain. Then next we will discuss about pronoun, and at last we will discuss about present tense. Okay. As the material, I will repeat once more. Oke, untuk materi pagi ini kita akan membahas tentang introducing ourselves or others. Yang kedua kita akan membahas tentang pronoun, dan yang ketiga kita akan membahas tentang present tense. Sorry ya, get the trouble with my fail. Okay. I have some expression on how to introduce ourselves, ya. Ada beberapa ungkapan tentang bagaimana untuk memperkenalkan diri sendiri. And first step, we can do greeting atau menyapa seseorang, ya, dengan hi, hello, how are you, or how do you do, nice to meet you, or glad to meet you. Then after that we can do tell the name, menceritakan nama. Nama saya Rita Susianti. My full name is Rita Susianti. My nickname is Rita. Atau nama panggilan saya Rita. Atau you can call me Rita. We can tell the address here. Menceritakan alamat. I live in Kudus at Jalan Ahmad Yani number 5. Or I come from Kudus. Then telling birthplace atau tempat lahir, birth date atau tanggal lahir, ataupun bisa juga menceritakan umur. Ini contohnya. Then telling hobbies or the activity prefer to do, atau menceritakan hobi ataupun aktivitas yang suka kalian lakukan. Then you can tell the families, how many sister or brother that you have, or how many sibling in your families, atau berapa bersaudara dalam keluarga kalian. Or you can add more information, like you can tell the name of your father, tell the name of your mother, your brother or your sister you have. Then etc. In this case, you can add more information, how many things that you want to share to another, atau berapa hal yang rencananya akan kalian bagikan ke yang lain dalam memperkenalkan diri. And now, after we try to introduce ourselves, then this is the step how to introduce the other. Just need a simple things here. You can just replace I with he, she, or name someone you describe. Hanya hal mudah ya bagi saat ini, di mana kalian yang untuk memperkenalkan orang lain, untuk memperkenalkan diri biasanya kita menggunakan I mengganti I di sini dengan he, she, or name of somebody that you want to introduce, atau dengan mengganti I dengan he, she, atau nama seseorang yang ingin kalian Next, we discuss about pronoun atau kata ganti. Kata ganti, what is kata ganti? There are some kinds of pronouns here. Yeah, we have some examples or some kinds of the things there is the how many kinds of pronouns here. Ya, di sini ada beberapa contoh untuk kata ganti di sini as the subject pronoun, for example like hi, I, you, he, she, they, we, it, or name of person. As the object, I become me, you, he, him, she, her, they, them, we, us. Jadi sebagai subjek itu kita menggunakan I, you, he, she, they, atau the other. Sebagai objek tinggal mengganti dari I menjadi me, you still you, he, him, she, her. Itu ya. Then next possessive adjective atau bisa juga dikatakan kata ganti milik. Ya, kata ganti milik. Possessive adjective is different with possessive pronoun. As the example of possessive adjective, I. If I have a book, so I call it my book. Ya, jika saya aku. Jika saya mempunyai buku, berarti bisa dikatakan my book. You, if you have the book, so we call it as your book, and etc. Ya, jika di sini kamu mempunyai buku, kita bisa mengatakan bukumu dan yang lainnya sebagainya. And the last possessive pronoun, juga milik, tapi berbeda. Kalau tadi my book, your book, and his book or the other. Tapi kalau di sini mine milikku. Mine. This is mine. Oh, this pen is mine. Oh, pulpen ini milikku. This pen is yours. Oh, pulpen ini milikmu. Nah, itu contoh dari possessive pronoun. You see that? Next. Okay. In this case, we will discuss about simple present tense. What is simple present tense? Simple present tense is the kind of tense or sentence that talking about facts, daily activities, general truth, or something which happen now. Di sini simple present tense adalah jenis kalimat yang digunakan bisa juga untuk menjelaskan fakta atau aktivitas sehari-hari atau kebenaran umum atau sesuatu yang terjadi sekarang. Bisa juga talking about the future untuk menceritakan masa yang akan datang. But in this case, we just learn about simple present tense that is related with the introduction. Okay, as we know that there are two kinds of sentence. Ya, sebenarnya itu yang kita tahu itu ada dua jenis dari kalimat. First we call it as verbal sentence. And the second we call it as nominal sentence or non-verbal sentence. What is verbal sentence? We call it as verbal sentence if the predicate here is verb. Jadi kita bisa mengatakan di situ verbal sentence jika predikatnya berupa kata kerja. Contohnya di sini, I work at SMK Rus as English teacher. Work, why? Why we call it as verbal sentence? Because the predicate here is work. Work is also the kinds of verbal. Yeah. Then nominal sentence or non-verbal sentence. We call it as nominal sentence because the predicate is not verb. For example, adjective, noun, or adverb of place. Contohnya di sini, I'm a teacher. I'm a teacher I am a teacher. Am a teacher is a predicate. We call it as nominal sentence because the predicate here is a teacher. Is a teacher. Teacher is noun. Yeah. So we call it as nominal sentence. And the second, she is smart. She subject is smart is predicate. We call it as nominal sentence because is smart is smart is adjective. Yeah. Then next. Okay, after we discuss about introduction, pronoun, and simple present, I have the example for you. Okay, this is example how to introduce ourselves in written form. Yeah. After that, you can practice both written or spoken. It's up to you. Yeah. Okay. Then, hi, my name is Rita Susianti. You can call me Rita. I live in Jurang village. Jurang in English means ravine. It's the dangerous place. Yeah, but Jurang village is not dangerous for you. I think it's warm for all. Not too far from school. It just needs 5 minutes to reach there by motorcycle. Tidak terlalu jauh, ya. Kita hanya butuh waktu 5 menit untuk sampai ke sana dengan menggunakan motor. I'm 21 years old. Sorry, just kidding. You believe that I'm 21 years old? I'm married. I like cooking, singing, or listening to music, especially campur sari to spend the time. This is my hobby. Yeah. And my favorite food is nasi goreng or fried rice. Okay, this is just an example. You can add more. Yeah. Okay. You have any question related to our topic discussion? Okay. If you still get confused with the topic discussion, you can contact me through my phone number or using your Teams group. Yeah. Okay. Then, okay. Thank you for your attention. Yeah. Okay. And on the next meeting, we still have the topic discussion related with our topic discussion today. Ya, this is about introduction. Jadi untuk minggu depan kita masih dengan topik yang sama, yaitu tentang introduction. Ya, oke. Okay. I think that's all for today. I'm sorry if there are any miscommunication or misunderstanding you got after learn about our topic discussion. If you need any information, yeah, you can don't forget to contact me. Okay. Thank you for the attention. Nice to meet you. See you next week. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.